You know how I typed in tier 2 nurse on the NHS platform? So those of you who don't know how to get on the NHS platform, this is what you type. Once you type that, it will take you into the search bar. You type in tier 2 nurse. The first few roles that are coming up are actually GP nursing roles. Or what you could do is type GP nursing roles and just go all the way down to job specification, person specification, or additional information, and try and find out if they include tier 2 sponsorships. So they will say in the section, people requiring sponsorships are welcome to apply. Once you see that, that means that you can apply for the job in the same way that everyone else applies for the job.
To my knowledge, there isn't such a thing as NHS run practices. The only thing that exists are private run GP surgeries who see NHS patients. There are also privately run GP surgeries who run on a private basis, so they do not see NHS patients. The great thing is that with the health and care visa, there isn't really a threshold anymore. So that means that GP practices that are a lot smaller can also offer sponsorship certificates to people who are interested of joining them. Like this role that I found on the NHS website, it shows that the role is part-time. The salary is a good enough salary for a part-time role, and anyone looking to work within primary care, within GP surgeries can apply.
So, what are some of the roles of a GP nurse, you ask?
Some of the roles of a GP nurse are having diabetes reviews, cytology. Cytology is basically smear tests, which is just screening the cervix for any cancerous cells, which you'll have to do as a nurse. I think the core skills are infant immunisations. Again, those are the most popular things that are carried out in the UK. The other things are ear syringing, so clearing up wax, excess wax in the ears. You can also do things like testing for COPD, so checking COPD within patients who have those symptoms, so shortness of breath or anything like that. GP nursing is a really, really interesting specialist role to have within the UK. Anyone who finds themselves in this role is sure to learn a lot, especially about primary care and how it's held within the UK.